Now we have dismantled everything, and we have cleaned the inside, and here the two holes. We have cleaned that, and use the carburetor spray into it, and we have made sure, so here to this hole is through to here, so that very well sit, and so this is all right. And we have cleaned this one, and we have cleaned that main jet, the old small holes you can see we have cleaned, and this the bottom one is also holes we have cleaned. Now we're going to put everything together, and this one will get into the main jet here, so go into there first, so this way, and then followed by this one into there, and then this valve and the bowl will get into that hole, and then there's the pin here, the pin will get through to this tool to hold the bowl valve. So we're going to do the resample.